This is Farzan Malik with Pakistan Connect reporting from Islamabad. We're here at the Atomic Energy Cancer Hospital Noori, where a breast cancer awareness seminar is being held to highlight the importance of awareness, early detection, and timely treatment. The Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission plays a key role in cancer care nationwide. It runs 20 cancer hospitals with the 21st named Kinnaur under construction in Muzaffarabad. It also offers non-surgical treatments. It provides treatments to patients of all ages and stages of cancer, and no one is denied to care. It is the only one to offer cancer patient support loop. Each year, around 46,000 new cases are treated through these facilities. Noori Hospital is also the first public sector hospital in Pakistan to introduce MR simulator and the CyberKnife facility, offering advanced and precise cancer treatment. We have Dr. Humaira Mahmood with us, the first female oncologist and director of Noori.
Cancer patients are usually depressed. Whenever anyone is diagnosed with cancer, not only the patient but entire family thinks as if this is the end of life. When they come to us, we really have to work a lot. We have not only to treat the disease, we have to manage them as a whole. We have to give them emotional support, psychological support, financial support in every way. When we keep on organizing such programs and we get such a healthy response from the audience, active participation of everyone, and then support of my officers and staff from Noori, that keeps me motivated to keep organizing such awareness programs and spreading information to far-flung areas.
Every woman should be habitual of doing their self-examination, because that's one of the most effective and cheap way to detect the lump or the breast cancer in an early stage. No woman should be shy of this cancer. Completely curable disease. Thirdly, they should not be worried about the financial burden, because we work in an institute specifically treat such patients.
The message for the ladies is, it's not anything to get shy or to keep it with them. Talk to the family, talk to the doctors, go to the doctor. उससे पहले आपको चाहिए कि सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन करें अपना रेगुलरली बेसिस पे. एवरी मंथ अर्ली डिटेक्शन हो जाए तो कंप्लीट ट्रीटमेंट कराएं आप. जब ट्रीटमेंट कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो आपके लिए ज़रूरी है कि आप फॉलो अप के लिए आया करें. फॉलो अप भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है जितना कि ट्रीटमेंट था, और इसमें कोई शर्म की छुपा कर रखने की कोई बात नहीं. ये भी एक बीमारी है, किसी भी बीमारी की तरह इसको डिस्कस किया जाना चाहिए. नथिंग टू गेट वरीड. हर चीज़ का इलाज होता है. अगर इलाज कराएंगे तो ज़रूर इंशाल्लाह शिफा मिलेगी. मैं आपके सामने मौजूद हूँ, एक सेहतमंद ज़िंदगी गुजार रही हूँ.
Events like this help spread awareness and encourage women to take their health seriously. They remind us that with early detection, support, and awareness, lives can truly be saved.